Miro can help pave a clear path to success with an effective project kickoff. In this video, we will cover how to customize the board to our team and project, create impactful moments for interaction and alignment, and transition from planning to performing with an effective wrap-up. Let's dive in. Miro's project kickoff template is a great starting point. Let's add it to our board. Notice there are certain areas designed for information sharing and others for collaboration. Miro empowers us to switch seamlessly between sharing information and collaborating. More on this later. After changing small details like text and color, we can dive deeper into customizing the space. We could add frames to build out our presentation to provide background and context. We could remove rows or add columns and images to this table to better represent our team. This is one of Miro's unique strengths. We aren't going to run out of space. The board is infinite, and we can make the experience work the way we want. Our board is looking really nice, which means we're ready to invite the rest of our team. After taking the team through a quick icebreaker, we'll dive in by presenting the background information and goals, really the why behind our project. We've built our presentation using the flexibility Miro offers by incorporating videos, Google Docs, and designs. We've added everything necessary to bring clarity about this project, and we can interact with these assets in real time. As we move around our board, we can also encourage participants to follow us by selecting our avatar. This means they go where we go and see what we see. This breaks down the wall between presenter and attendee. They aren't just watching a presentation, they're now along for the journey. Miro is a fluid environment for sharing information and working on that information together. So much so, it's easy to make an update mid-presentation. Let's say we mistakenly added someone to the wrong group here. We can move things around while keeping the conversation flowing. Once we're ready to move to the next phase of the meeting, participants can click on the board to stop following us, and they're immediately ready to begin collaborating. Participants work together and use stickies to identify activities, needs, risks, and dependencies to make this project a success. Getting the teams to identify these aspects now creates a clear picture for them to understand each other's roadblocks and source potential solutions across the team. At the end of the meeting, we can take a step back and appreciate all the work that's been done. Let's end on a high note. We can have everyone follow us to the final section to align on next steps, including project milestones and resources, acting as a roadmap to success. And with that, we're at the end of our project kickoff. The final benefit? This kickoff session becomes the documentation for our project plan. If something happens, like someone joins the project after kickoff, we can get them quickly caught up by taking them through the board.